I am using Pretty Much Pro Plus's research tool to find newly trending designs on Amazon. To filter my search, I am sorting by BSR change, and I am leaving the range under 1 million BSR. This will show us shirts that have recently sold and dropped to a BSR under 1 million. Spain Republic flag. This is a variation of the Spanish flag. Let's search it on Amazon. $132 results. Most of these results are from the current version of the flag, so there is actually way less competition. If you are selling, so this may be a good niche to get into. Let's search the history of the flag. This was the official flag of Spain from 1931 to 1936 after the abolition of the monarchy. Always research before you upload so you don't upload something that is against the terms of policy. Catalonia is a region in Spain that is currently seeking independence and has been doing so for years. As you can see, it is a popular seller on Amazon. Serving up a cure. This is a breast cancer awareness design cross-niched with volleyball. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so these will be selling throughout the month. It may be too late, but this term only has 10 results, so it can still potentially sell. Grab your balls, it's bocce time. This product has a BSR score of 913,000. What is bocce ball? Bocce is an ancient game now played as a lawn or yard game. The objective of the game is to earn points by getting your balls closer to a smaller target ball. Let's search the shirts on Amazon. 209 results. This is how we roll is one you always see with ball sports. Also grab your balls, or it takes a lot of balls. Many are selling, so this seems like a good niche. Dairy is scary. This is a Halloween vegan design. 366 results. This can also be an evergreen design that I can see someone who is vegan wearing year-round. Voluntold to be here. A funny shirt designed for someone to wear at a volunteering event. $144 results for the word voluntold. All of the 3 result pages have designs with BSR scores, indicating a high demand and low competition. You can design shirts for specific volunteering events or think of other events you can design shirts for. Please like the video and subscribe if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching.